Welcome to my channel. In this video, I want to explain how can you whiten your teeth by using ginger and salt. How can you whiten your teeth by using ginger and salt? So if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe for more healthy videos. And if you like this video, just don't forget to give it a like. There are different methods in which you can use to whiten your teeth. For example, you can use baking soda, you can use hydrogen peroxide, and also you can use charcoal. But in this video, I'm going to explain how can you whiten your teeth by using salt and ginger. So let's begin. Okay, so after making that paste, the paste which contains salt, it contains toothpaste. You can use any, be it Colgate or you can use Whitening, but also it contains ginger. So after making that paste, you use your toothbrush and then you apply to your teeth. You brush that paste to your teeth. And make sure that you do that you brush it for about 1 minute or 3 minutes. And then after there, you can just wash your mouth by using clean water. So you continue that process until your teeth start to become white. So thank you for being with me. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Don't forget to like and don't forget to comment. Thank you.